The Cabinet Committee on Security, CCS, on Wednesday cleared the purchase of 83 light combat aircraft Tejas from the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The deal, worth Rs 48,000 crore, will be the biggest ever in the indigenous military aviation sector. The approval by the CCS, which is headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, comes 10 months after the Defence Acquisition Council in March 2020 okayed the procurement of 83 more advanced mk-1A version of the light combat aircraft. The mk-1A version of the jet will have 43 improvements over the initial version, including major improvements to enhance operational capability. These include easier maintenance, active electronically scanned array radar, electronic warfare suite and beyond visual range missile capabilities, that will include the Indian-made air-to-air missile Astra Mark 1. It will also have the ability to carry missiles for long range. The 123 Tejas fighters procured by the IAF will be in 3 different variants, all powered by a General Electric engine. So far 20 have been made in what is called the initial operational clearance version. Another 20 are being made in what is called the final operational clearance version. Indian Air Force officials headed last week to France to check on the progress of the second batch of Dassault Rafales jet fighters, which could soon be deployed to guard the country's northeastern border with China. India, which has ordered 36 of the twin-engine, canard delta-wing, multirole fighter aircraft, received the first batch on September 10 and immediately deployed those to the Ladakh region. New Delhi has confirmed that the delivery of the second batch of planes could take place in the next few weeks, and the officials were sent to France to ensure that the IAF will be able to ramp up as both India and China continue to build up forces along the line of actual control. The Rafale can perform air supremacy, interdiction, aerial reconnaissance, ground support, in-depth strike, anti-ship strike and nuclear deterrence missions. A group of IAF pilots is now undergoing training on the Rafale jets at the Saint-Nazaire Air Base in eastern France. India's first indigenous machine pistol developed jointly by Defence Research and Development Organisation, DRDO, and Indian Army was displayed at the Army's Innovation Display event. The Make in India gun would be offered to replace the 9mm pistols in the defence forces. The machine pistol can fire at a range of 100 meters and is in the class of the Aziz series guns of Israel. The prototype has fired over 300 rounds in the last 4 months of its development.